We are all busy and need some easy, practical ways to organize our home. Here is going to be the ultimate list of Amazon must-have organization home hacks that are going to make organizing your home so easy. Maybe your closet or the area where your bed sheets are look like ours did. Ours just like started to pile up. And again, we didn't even know what we had. So insert these bed sheet organizers, absolute just favorite. These are a game changer. You can put the set of sheets in one. It'll fold up all nice and neat, so it keeps them in their place folded, and you can label the front of it so when you go to switch your sheets out, maybe you're changing seasons, you know exactly what you have. Great around the holidays, great if you have multiple beds in your home and it's hard to keep everything straight. These are a favorite, and they come in a few different color options. Everybody has to do laundry, and so I found two favorites for the laundry room that help greatly. First of all is going to be this laundry bin separator. So it comes with two separate compartments. It comes with a cloth insert. So you also can wash the insert too, which is great. This is phenomenal for separating lights and darks. That way, before, if you have like a big pile, you're trying to separate it as you're doing it. This is great because as you are putting your dirty clothes to be washed, you can put them in their separate compartments. Or you can separate them by people in your home. So maybe your daughter has one, you have one, and then maybe get one for your husband. So there's lots of different ways to use it, but it's just great help keeping things very organized, and it looks so sleek in a laundry room. And then after you finish your laundry, I highly recommend these collapsible laundry bins. Absolute game changers. So when you're not using them, you can hide them behind your dryer or your washer, like out of sight, out of mind. It just keeps the clutter down in laundry rooms so well. And then if you need bins to kind of put all of your laundry items in, go with those storage wicker baskets, put them all in the top shelf, label the front of them, and there you've just transformed your laundry room. These clear storage bins are honestly just a must-have in our home. They can be used for so many different things. They come in a pack of 6. They actually come in a few different like number options, whether you want a smaller set or a larger set, but I completely redid all of my medicines in our cabinet. I have one for like more natural items, like for pain relief or things like that, because our medicine drawer just became like a junk drawer and we didn't even know what we had. We would start getting duplicates and things like that. So when you're in a rush, it's easy to just know what you have. And these bins also come with a lid, so they are stackable, which is phenomenal. So if you even want to put pantry items in here, put these in your kids' closet, you can put them out in the garage. I mean, the list goes on how functional these are, and if anything spills, they are so easy to clean. Now the kitchen specifically drawers are another area in our home that over time, it's like, how did it just get so cluttered? Anybody feel like that? These bamboo drawer organizers are actually expandable. So if you have an odd shaped drawer, or you're just like, I want to be able to find an organizer that I can kind of move, you know, even through different size pull-out drawers or anything like that. Maybe it's your office and then you want to use in kitchen, or you want to split it in half. These are expandable. Comes in a few different color options. So it comes in like a natural wood as well as like a white and a black that you can match whatever aesthetic you're going for. But these are great because they are adjustable and easy to clean, and you can pretty much insert them anywhere. Shoes, especially if you have a big family where there's just lots of different shoes and they just seem to always get to be a cluttered area where they are. This shoe rack organizer has made such a difference for our family. It's big and it's sturdy. I've tried other shoe rack organizers on Amazon and they would like break, or one of the shelves would fall through. This is great, and they also have different heights. So ladies, if you have taller boots, these are great, and it fits so much. So we keep this right outside of our garage door. We don't wear shoes in the home, so we have it right outside of the door, and as we head in and out, it's there and available. So I was noticing that our closets were getting really cluttered, specifically with like just little random knickknacks. For example, our first closet that we hang our coats, our hats, you know, all those miscellaneous things that you kind of throw in, you don't know where to put when you head in and out the door. But it was that our top shelf was just getting so cluttered. I was like, I need to find some good storage bins that look nice, but do the trick. I got a pack of these 4 wicker storage baskets on Amazon, and the quality is so good. They also feature a handle, which I like. They're very sturdy. They hold a lot. and actually the bottom will pop up so it completely closes as well. So it's great if you only need a few of them. They're easy to store when you're not using them, but they look so beautiful in a closet. You can put these in the bottom of one of your kids' closets and store toys and things like that. You can put these on shelving. I mean, they're so beautiful, great quality, and I'm telling you, they make all the difference with little kiddo things. Now, if you're looking for something to help store out of season clothes, or maybe it's just blankets or just items that you're not using in that particular season, opt for these under the bed storage organizers. These are great because they're movable, so you can like stuff these things. They're not like a hard shell, and they're so easy to slide under your bed frame. If you don't want to put it under your bed, or maybe you don't have room, these stack really well in a closet, like up on a shelf or down on the ground. So there's just multiple different uses for these, but they're also really clean too, and they have like a plastic top, so it's really easy to see what's inside. This is one of those home finds you just didn't know you needed. This is a jean organizer. This is also great for leggings too. My jean and legging drawer was just so cluttered. Again, I just didn't even know what I had. And then you find that you don't wear items and you're like, well, I didn't know I had that, right? So this is great. You can stack all of your jeans or leggings on horizontally with a hook in your closet. And then to save space, you actually can remove one of the ends and then it'll lay vertically. So just genius. Has over 14,000 star reviews over on Amazon. And along with that is also this belt and bra organizer. So again, this is great for men or women, great for organizing your belts. Hats are great for this too. It does have a 360 rotation. So as you hang this in a closet, you can just swivel it around without having to take the whole thing off and see exactly what you have on there. So you might even want to grab multiple of them. They're right around $8 on Amazon. And I'm telling you, little things like this make the biggest difference. Another area in the home that's so easy to become cluttered is an undergarment drawer. But not just that, if you have toddlers or babies, just all of the little socks and the hats and the bows and all the things can just get really cluttered too. These drawer organizers I have been a fan of in our home. I think this is our 4th year. I started in my like underwear bra sock drawer. It was so just cluttered before, and then this has little spots, different sizes too, if you want to fit your bra or your socks or your underwear, and just makes all of the difference. But then when I had my son 2.5 years ago, I got one for his nursery, and then I recommended these to other people. It's just one of those little items that makes everything just so much more organized. They come in different sizes and colors. And one of the most genius home purchases that I picked up last spring are these pull-out drawer organizers. So if you have a cabinet that you wish was a pull-out drawer, measure whatever space you want it for, because on the Amazon page, you can get the exact one that fits your size. So you're gonna wanna make sure you wanna do that. But these are great because you just adhesive stick it to the cabinet and it will become a pull-out drawer, which is just such a game changer for the home. I love to use this for coffee cabinets, but it's also really great for pots and pans, or a deep cabinet where you feel like you have to like rummage through to the back. These are really, really awesome at organizing that and just making things so much more practical. Another thing that just seems to clutter a space are cords. And so I picked up these cord organizers that just sticky adhesive to the back of any appliance. So we use it on our flip toaster, air fryer, can be used on coffee machines. Just again, adhesives it to the back and you can swivel up the cord. You'd be surprised how clean this makes your kitchen look without having the cord there. Bathroom sink vanities are another place that just gets, piled up with items. Before, I had a very deep cabinet and I would put my skincare underneath it in the bathroom, and I would start to stack things because like you use the bottom surface, so you'd start to stack things. And again, you rummage through one day and you're like, I didn't even know I had that. Or you start buying multiple of items because you can't see everything. I picked up these 3-tier organizers. They also come in 2 tiers. So they come in a few different size and color options, but this has been great. You can organize and you can see everything that you have. These are also great in your kitchen under like your kitchen sink, where again, cleaning products, household items just collect and they can get very cluttered down there. So these organizers are easy to clean. They're really sturdy. And this particular brand is just a favorite of mine. Now your refrigerator, specifically your condiments, your tubes, bottles, maybe salad dressing, things like that are all in one. Maybe you have them shoved all in the door, or they're in a section in your refrigerator that just, again, all gets shoved to the back and just makes your refrigerator feel so much fuller than it is. This is a 360 rotating Lazy Susan. Yes, it will actually pull out and it will 360 rotate. So you can see everything that you have on here, and you don't have to just use it for condiments. You can grab this for multiple shelves in your refrigerator and you can see absolutely everything. It's so easy to clean. And again, you don't need to just use this in a refrigerator. It can be used in cabinets, maybe your spice cabinet as well. You can get your paper towel off the counter, or you can completely hide it by this paper towel holder. You can put it underneath the cabinet, which is how we have it, or you can put it like under the sink on the back of a door. Out of sight, out of mind, and still very accessible. Now, speaking of a vanity in your bathroom, this is a non-skid turntable. So if you don't want it to turn, but you want to have a little bit of organization on a countertop, this is also great for your office. This one is non-skid and has a rubber top, so your products aren't going to fall over everywhere. It does come in a few color options, but I also recommend, if you're looking for one that is a 360 turn, this one was one of my first Amazon products years ago, and it is one of my most used. I still use it. It's on top of my vanity in my bathroom every single day. 360, you actually can adjust the shelves on it. So if you have taller products or smaller products, you can adjust that, and so easy to clean. The quality is great. You can put this in a kid's bathroom, in your vanity, and I'm telling you, gets all the clutter up off your counter and is just our absolute favorite. This is a great idea for men. This is a nightstand organizer, so they can put their AirPods, maybe their glasses, a pen, a stylus. You can put your phone in there, and even has like a little cord hole that they can put their cord through, and it just sits beautifully on the nightstand. It comes in different finish options, but this is great for men too. And you actually can just stick your Apple Watch on the top too. It's great. It's one of those small differences that makes a huge difference. Velvet hangers. So gone are the days with the plastic and the wire hangers when you would go to pull one item off of the shelf, a bunch of others would fall down. These I've switched everywhere in our home, and they even have kid sizes too. So with my baby and my toddler, they both have them. They come in all the different color options, and when I tell you, I mean, these are amazing. They keep your clothes on. They look beautiful too. They're a velvet texture, and we are just obsessed with them. They have completely transformed the closets, just how they look. Everything looks very cohesive because we would have a mix of like plastic and wire, and then we would have clothes on the floor because they would fall off. And so you struggle, these are a must. Ladies, we all love to get our nails done, but nail polishes are an item where I had them all just kind of like shoved in the bottom of a drawer. And every time I go to do my nails, I'd like pull them all out of the drawer and figure out what color I wanted to do. So this is a nail polish organizer, and actually has some space on the side where you can put like nail filers, nail clippers, things like that. You can put miscellaneous items, but this is great. It will fit up to 48 nail polishes, and you can utilize the back and the front. It's just a snap closure. And if something spills, again, this actual organizer is really easy to clean too, which is great. So this would be a really great gift idea for a teenager or someone who's starting to do their nails. And this one is a recent discovery of mine, and this is a great organizer specifically for your car, but also can be used in your home, maybe on a shelf that you find that you have like a pile of coins on. This is a coin organizer. It's amazing. This is a universal storage coin holder, so it will fit your coins in here, and you actually press it down and it'll dispense one. So it keeps everything all neat in one place. Great to keep in your car, but also great to keep in a cabinet that you tend to just have your coins pile up on. So if you loved this video, make sure to check out my top 50 best Amazon home finds and hacks next.